Respect yourself. You are unique. No one can replace you. A man went to God and asked, "What's the value of life?" God gave him one stone and said, "Find out the value of this stone, but don't sell it." The man took the stone to the orange seller and asked him what's the cost would be. The orange seller saw the shiny stone and said, "You can take 12 oranges and give me the stone." The man apologized and said that the god has asked him not to sell it. Then, after he went ahead and found a vegetable seller. "What could be the value of this stone?" he asked the vegetable seller. The seller saw the shiny stone and said, "Take one sack of potatoes and give me the stone." The man again apologized and said he can't sell it. Further ahead, he went into a jewelry shop and asked the value of the stone. The jeweler saw the stone under a lens and said, "I will give you 50 lakhs for this stone." When the man shook his head, the jeweler said, all right, take 2 crores, but give me the stone." The man explained that he can't sell the stone. At last, he saw a precious stone shop and asked the seller the value of this stone. When the precious stone seller saw the big ruby, he laid down a red cloth and put the ruby on it. Then he walked in circles around the ruby and bent down and touched his head in front of the ruby. Then he asked that man, "From where did you bring this priceless ruby? Even if I sell the whole world and my life, I won't be able to purchase this priceless stone." That man was stunned and confused. He returned to God and told him what had happened. Then he asked God, "Please, God, tell me, what is the value of life?" Then God said, "The answers you got from the orange seller, vegetable seller, jeweler, and the precious stone seller. You may be a precious stone, even priceless, but people may value you based on their level of information, their belief in you, their motive behind entertaining you, their ambition, and their risk taking ability. But don't fear, you will surely find someone who will discern your true value. So, in the eyes of God, you are very, very precious. Respect yourself. You are unique. No one can replace you.